So hello, I'm here at the Gateway of India, and today I have reached here in the morning. And since morning, I'm trying to talk to stranger people, and I had in my mind that I just wanted to have a conversation with foreigners. But unfortunately, I failed at four attempts, and finally, I just got into a bunch of people where just I could speak with them and just then I recorded a video. I just recorded the shots also, and there I just spoke with them. And it was a really very excited and very curious thing that I just spoke with them, and they also welcomed me, and they have just since they were busy with their business stuff and all those things, but still they just gave me some time, and we had a healthy conversation. We had a good times, wonderful time, and I met people from Germany, from Poland also, and they also shared their experiences in India, how they came here and what was their journey so far, and the people they met there. So it was really wonderful experience, and if you also want to strike a conversation with the people, with the stranger, then how to have that kind of thing, because many people know how to speak English, but when it comes to speak to a stranger, then that time they just face hesitation, they face low confidence, and those are the things which we need to understand, that what requires to have a great skill, what requires to have a conversation. Okay, so if you have the confidence, if you know that yes I can speak, and you have good practice, you have enough practice, then you can have that moment with anyone. So it is really beautiful moment. It is really wonderful time. I'm enjoying this day, and I will try more and more to have a conversation with strangers here. As you can see, this is the Taj Hotel, and back of the me is the India Gate, and so many people. The scorching sun is here, and the temperature is 40 plus here. Okay, but still people are here. They are wanting. They are just exploring the place. Beautiful ferry ride is also here. It is the crowded, and we are all the people are really not caring about the sun and the hotness here. Still they are just enjoying the moment. So this is the thing which we need to understand. If you want to speak English, if you want to communication, if you want to have that kind of thing in with you, then you have to try. Since if you sit at home and if you are practicing in front of mirror, this is not just a thing. Okay, we have to just that have this thing also in your life, to have the meaningful life, to have the real experiences, which will eventually increase your communication skills, and really it will help you understand and improve your English. So really it is nice journey so far, and let's see what more I can do here in a day, because I have come here to just to explore the people, just to understand what is the culture and how the things are going here, what is the Mumbai, and how the people are living here, and what all the people, what type of people are here. Just I will explore this, and I will make many more videos, so that you will be also able to see that how we can talk to an unknown person. So thanks for watching this video, and really support me, so that I can make many more videos like this, and I will keep on helping the people.